Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, in our 8th video in the I-85 series, we continue north just past the city of Atlanta in Dekalb County. On the right side of the expressway is the unincorporated community of North Druid Hills, and on the left is the city of Brookhaven. Brookhaven was incorporated in 2012 and has an estimated population of 54,169, making it the largest city in Dekalb County. We enter the city of Chamblee, which has an estimated population of 28,306 as of 2016. The area that would later become Chamblee was originally dairy farms. During the late 19th century, an intersection of two railroads was constructed in Chamblee. One carried passengers from Atlanta to Charlotte, North Carolina, while the other ferried workers and goods back and forth from a factory in Roswell to Atlanta. A settlement known as Roswell Junction emerged at the intersection, and the United States Postal Service decided to establish a post office there. However, feeling the name of the settlement was too similar to nearby Roswell, they randomly selected Chamblee from a list of petitioners for the new post office name. Chamblee was incorporated in 1907. We reach the city of Doraville, which has an estimated population of 10,501 as of 2016, and is named for an explorer named Dora. Dora the Explorer. Okay, that may be inaccurate. Doraville was incorporated by an act of the Georgia General Assembly, approved December 15, 1871. From its development until the 1940s, Doraville was a small agricultural community that served the interests of a larger surrounding farming area. General Motors selected Doraville as the site for its new assembly plant. The growth of Doraville exploded in the late 1940s and the 1950s as a result. Here, the northern junction of I-85 and 285, the perimeter loop around Atlanta, is properly known as the Tom Moreland Interchange, but locally known as Spaghetti Junction, because of a northeast to southwest ramp that passes over the 4th level of the interchange. Spaghetti Junction is a 5-level stack interchange. You don't see that much. enter Gwinnett County, which has an estimated population of 920,260 as of 2017, making it the second most populous county in Georgia. The county is named for Button Gwinnett, one of the signers of the Declaration of Independence. Waffle House is headquartered in unincorporated Gwinnett County near Norcross. Also, Cannon has its Southeast Regional headquarters in Norcross. We briefly cross into the city limits of the city of Norcross, which has a population of 16,787. Named for former Atlanta Mayor Jonathan Norcross, it was chartered as a town on October 26, 1870. We conclude today's drive at exit 106. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip. See, I remembered because I'm reading it. See you next time.